sensor and the asset. When the distance becomes greater or lesser between them, then the alarm starts ringing. The distance becomes lesser. The distance becomes greater. Like this, the distance becomes greater. When someone tries to move the asset from the color sensor, so the color sensor stops detecting the asset color, so it starts ringing. Like this way, it stops detecting the black color. When someone tries to pick up the asset from the touch sensor, so the touch sensor will release and the alarm starts ringing. Like this way. Like this way, see. If any one or two sensors doesn't work, but still it will be a shared system with one or two sensors. Like this way. The ultrasonic sensor is now not working because see, only color sensor and touch sensor is securing the safety. Still it is working because two sensors are securing. Now I will remove one of the sensors, which is the color sensor. Now only touch sensor is secure.